Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this high protein, extremely low carbohydrate bread. It is called carnivore bread. It is suitable for anyone on a low carb diet or anyone who is insulin resistant. The texture is amazing and it is very good for your toast or sandwiches. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you'll be alerted when I post a new video. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest.
For the ingredients, I'll be using 12 whole eggs. I would also be using 2 cups of cottage cheese, 2 cups of pork panko or pork rind, 2 tablespoonfuls of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoonfuls of unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoonful of salt. I'll start by separating the eggs. The aim is to separate the yolk from the white. Does anyone know a better way to separate egg yolk from the white and make it faster too? Please let me know in the comments. Now I'm going to set aside both the yolk and the white and proceed to blend the cottage cheese. The aim is to blend it into a smooth, creamy consistency because cottage cheese curds leave water pockets in your bread if it is not well blended. This is how creamy you want it to be. Very creamy and smooth with no curds in sight or air pockets. I will set that aside and proceed to whisk the egg whites. The aim is to whisk it until it rises and becomes stiff. This is what it should look like after whisking. It took approximately 5 minutes. I'm going to set that aside and then proceed to mix the other ingredients into the egg yolk. I'm going to start by beating up the egg yolk first. And then add the other ingredients. I will also go in with my melted butter and also go in with half teaspoonful of salt. Salt is very optional in this recipe because your cottage cheese comes already salted and the pork rind as well has a bit of salt in it unless you're using the plain one. So add salt to your taste. Now I'm going to gently fold that in. I'm going to thoroughly combine this without over mixing it. Now it is thoroughly combined, and when it gets to this consistency, I'm going to go in with the egg white. This requires extreme carefulness. You want to fold this in gently without deflecting the egg whites. Now that it is thoroughly folded in, I'm going to transfer it into my lined baking pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. It is advisable to bake this on the medium rack to prevent the under from burning or the bread from cooking unevenly. To confirm that the bread is cooked, you can use the toothpick method. If your bread doesn't stick to the toothpick, then it is done. Now that my bread is done, I'm going to let it cook completely for the first 15 minutes and then transfer it into the refrigerator for another 30 minutes before slicing into it. This bread is very easy to slice so long as you let it cook completely. Look how fluffy it is. It is filled with lots of protein and healthy fats with very minimal carbohydrates. This bread holds up really well in sandwiches, and it tastes even much better when it is pan roasted or toasted in the air fryer for just a few minutes. To store it, cut it into slices and separate each slice using parchment papers, and then refrigerate it for up to 5 days. Better still, you can freeze this for up to 4 weeks in the freezer. If you've enjoyed this video so far and you're yet to subscribe, please do so now so that you don't miss out on my next video. Turn on the post notifications so that you'll be alerted when next I post a new videos. I share tips on healthy living, healthy recipes, and wellness in general. Will you be willing to give this a try? Let me know in the comments. Also, feel free to share this with anyone who you think might need this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.